Good morning, students. This is our conversation class. Okay, what we have done last day, we are going to revise it. I have given you some extra question now to learn it. Again, we are going to revise that. Okay, so first, that extra question, number one question, what it is? What kind of animal is a dog? What it is? What kind of animal is a dog? What you will say? A dog is a domestic animal. A dog is a domestic animal. Okay? What kind of animal is a dog? A dog is a domestic animal. Okay? Next, what kind of animal is an elephant? An elephant is a wild animal. What kind of animal is an elephant? Then what you will answer? An elephant is a wild animal. First, listen the question properly. You have to learn the question also. Then you can answer that what ma'am is asking, what other person is asking. My question is, what kind of animal is a dog? Then what you will answer? A dog is a domestic animal. Okay? Next question. What kind of animal is an elephant? Then you will say, an elephant is a wild animal. Understand? Understand? The next question. Where do monkeys live? Where do monkeys live? Okay? So what you will say? Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. Monkeys live in trees. Okay? Understand? Then next, what does a sheep give us? What does a sheep give us? A sheep gives us wool. A sheep gives us wool. Okay? It gives us wool. From that sweater is made and we wear that to make our body heat in the time of winter. Okay? So, what does a sheep give us? A sheep gives us wool. Okay? A sheep gives us wool. Okay. How does a donkey help us? How does a donkey help us? A donkey carries load for us. A donkey carries load for us. You have seen donkey? What? It carries loads na? On his back. So it helps for that. So a donkey carries load for us. Understand? Next. Which animal has a long nose? Which animal has a long nose? Then you will say, an elephant has a long nose. An elephant has a long nose. Elephant has a long nose now, which is called trunk. So, an elephant has a long nose. Understand? Next. Which animal has a long neck? Which animal has a long neck? Then what you will say? A giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. Which animal has a hump? Which animal has a hump? A camel has a hump. A camel has a hump. Okay? Camel, you have seen the back like this. this part is known as hum, in which it store water and he drink when he want to drink water. So a camel has a hump. And last question, which animal gives us milk? A cow gives us milk. Which animal gives us milk? A cow gives us milk. Okay? These are the questions I have teach you. You have to go through it and you have to learn it properly so that when I ask you, you can say. Now come to our book part. Our chapter number 6 finish. Now today we are going to start. I like to dance and play. Okay, I like to dance and play. So in this chapter you will say about the different places in your school. Okay, what places are there in your school. Then what you like and what you don't like. Okay, what you like and what you don't like. You have to say that some words are there that ends in CKMGO like this. So see here, first page, number 8. Listen to the song and sing along. You have to listen the song and you have to do dance by listening this song. So this is your activity and it will not come in exam. Just you read and go through. Next, listen to Tanshi and Karthik talk about the places they like to in school. Tanshi is saying to Karthik and Karthik is saying to Tanshi. So they are saying about their school, what places they like. Okay, they are saying that they have a very big library they like. Then they are saying they love to go to computer lab. Okay, then they are saying there is a playground, there is a basketball court which they love very much. Okay, next they are saying about the dance room where they can go and do dance. Okay, then they are saying about their canteen where they can go and eat lots of things which are very good and they provide healthy things. Okay, so you have to listen the track and understand what Tanshi is saying. Tanshi is saying, in my school there is big playground in which basketball court is there. Okay, then there is a library. It has many books which help us to study and many storybook which we go and read there. Then what other thing is there? Computer lab. In computer lab we go and practice computer. It is very nice and we love to go there. Okay, then there is garden. Then there is a dance room where any cultural activity comes, we go and practice there. Okay, then what? Canteen is there. If we need anything, we go there and eat. Same thing. See, activity B2. Listen again. Write K for the places Karthik likes and write T for the places Tanshi likes. Okay. Same way, this year you have not gone to school, but you have to say in your school what places you like. Okay, understand? So go through your book, 2 pages, page number 54 and 55. Okay, the chapter name is I like to dance and play. So my teaching over, students. Whatever I have teach you, please go through it and learn it. Okay, thank you, students.